Okay, we create three exercise, and today we are going to create our four exercise on Python 4. I tell you, if you think you don't need this exercise, you can skip them and go and continue the course. But if you think you need to exercise more, you can stand and do just this 10 exercise. Exercise 4 is a reverse string. Reverse string is a program that reverses a given string. I want you to pause the video for 10 seconds and go and think about the question and try to solve it. It's important to you can solve the question not by watching the video, by thinking. I want you to pause the video and go and seek for the answer, and after that continue watching the video. Okay, I assume that you go and search for the answer. Now let's try to solve it. It wants us to write a Python program that reverses a given string. For example, we have a string that is our input. Please enter your string, something like this. That's good. Let's say our string is load. I like it. Sorry, I pasted something wrong. Load. Okay, after that, let's think how we can reverse our string. Do you have any guesses or not? I'll solve it by my way. I said that I'm going to use the sum of a string. You know everything that's about the sum of a string. For example, let's say p is equal to all plus beta. And when we want to print p, it makes them one thing. How we are going to use that? We are going to use that simply by, we say for x in, let's say we call it rev string. It's our reverse string and it's empty. For x in a string, for x in len range len a string. Why I'm not using x in a string? You see that, and the reason is amazing and make you wonder. For x in range len a string, before that let me just copy this thing and paste it here. L a string, we call it len of a string. In L string, for x in L string, what we are going to do? We are going to say that rev string is equal to rev string plus what? Plus a string L string minus x print rev string. Run it. str object is not callable. Sorry, I make a little mistake today. Let's run it again. A string index out of range. Why is happening? Let me just put a -1 here, then run it. You see the string is become reverse, but what we are doing here? Let's say for x, for example, for y in range 5. When we print y, it's going to print from 0 to 4. But sometimes we want to print 5 to 1. How we do that? We just simply put a 5 here and it looks like this. The thing we are doing here is that we are going to, for x in range, we are going to go from 0 to 1 to 2 to 3 to 4. Not we are going to go 4, 3, 2, 1. We are going back. Let's make our code straight. Let's run it. For example, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. It gave us 3, 2, 1. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's giving us the reversed one. Okay, don't forget to ask me if you have any question in the comments. I will answer you. And don't forget to like and subscribe. This is the end of this lesson. You understand what we are doing. If you don't understand, you can ask. I will answer. Until the next exercise, have a good time. Until tomorrow.